The video shows you how to increase mango yield. The mango flowering and yield rely upon the weather, watering, temperature, diseases, and fertilization. Also, there may be a problem of mango fruit drop after fruit set. At the end of the video, I shall give you a spray recipe which will raise your mango yield many times. The mango tree may not produce flowers and fruits, or fruit production may fall if the temperature is low during bloom and fruit set time. The mango tree must therefore be planted where it can receive sun all day. Improper watering can be a factor for mango fruit drop. For a young tree, water about 2 times a week in the first year and thereafter after 4 to 5 days. Severe pruning of the mango tree may reduce fruit production for many fruiting cycles. Pruning should, therefore, only be done to remove broken or diseased plant stems and leaves. Fungal disease such as anthracnose, sooty mold, and powdery mildew can cause premature dropping of mango fruit. Remove the dead leaves and infected part of the tree. Keep the area around the plant clean and weed-free. Remove the fallen leaves. Most mango diseases can be controlled by a regular spray of copper fungicide and neem oil mixed together. Fertilize your mango tree with a fertilizer high in potassium and phosphorus ratio. Too much nitrogen will damage flowers. Regularly add organic compost or manure to the soil. For mango trees of age 10 years or more, spray potassium nitrate solution when buds start to form. Dissolve 5 grams of potassium nitrate in 1 liter water and spray. This will induce early flowering and increasing mango production. After flowering, water daily until the fruits are set. Afterwards, water in 3-4 days. Spray the flowers and growing mangoes with pest oil every week until the fruits grow to a large size. Stop the spray at least 2 weeks before you cut the fruits from the tree. Please like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel.